Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical meat grinder machine, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from meat grinder machine, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best meat grinder machine from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Meat. Your Mincer 0.75 horsepower meat grinder with 3 stuffing tubes. 2. Stainless steel grinding plates. The meat. Your Mincer 0.75 horsepower meat grinder is a powerhouse designed for high-volume meat processing. With a 1 horsepower motor, it can handle 7 to 10 pounds of meat per minute, making it perfect for home butchers or small businesses. This versatile grinder includes 3 different size stainless steel grinding plates, 4.5 mm, 10 mm, and a stuffing plate, along with 3 stuffing tubes, 1 by 2 inch, 3 by 4 inch, and 1 to 1 by 4 inch for customizable grinding. And the included meat stomper and hopper tray make the grinding process more convenient. Weighing in at 49.7 pounds, it's a sturdy and durable machine built for tough jobs. Whether you're grinding venison, beef, or pork, this meat grinder delivers top-notch performance. However, it's on the larger side, so consider your storage space before purchasing. This heavy-duty unit is perfect for those serious about their meat processing. Number 2, Turboforce electric meat grinder grinds soft bones, foot pedal, 6 grinding plates. The StayX International Turboforce electric meat grinder is a high-performance grinder perfect for home use. With a powerful 2,000-watt motor, this grinder can easily handle up to 260 meters of meat per hour, making it ideal for large batches. It features a high-capacity meat tray that holds over 3 meters of meat and is capable of grinding soft bones like chicken, rabbit, and quail. The patented quad air induction cooling system ensures the motor stays cool, while the advanced variable intake (AVI) technology enhances grinding efficiency. This grinder comes with 6 stainless steel grinding plates, a sausage stuffing plate, and 3 sausage stuffing tubes, offering versatility for different grinding needs. Additionally, the included foot pedal allows for hands-free operation, making the process more convenient. The machine also includes a cube-making attachment, meat claws, and a burger slider press. With a 3-year warranty, the Turboforce electric meat grinder is a durable and reliable choice for any meat enthusiast. Number 3. Sinyder electric meat grinder 3,000-watt max heavy-duty stainless steel meat mincer. The Sinyder electric meat grinder is a heavy-duty kitchen essential that makes grinding meat quick and easy. With a powerful 700-watt motor and a maximum output of 3,000 watts, this grinder can handle up to 2 pounds of meat per minute, making it ideal for both home and commercial use. The high-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the built-in metal gears enhance performance and longevity. This grinder comes with a range of versatile accessories, including 2 sizes of stainless steel grinding plates, cube and sausage filler tubes, and a food pusher, allowing you to create everything from burgers to sausages. The one-button control system ensures safety, while the rev button helps clear any blockages. The grinder is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts and a dedicated storage case. With 24/7 customer support and a satisfaction guarantee, the Sinyder electric meat grinder is a reliable and efficient tool for any kitchen. Number 4. Weston electric meat grinder and sausage stuffer 1 horsepower motor with stainless steel grinding plates. The Weston electric meat grinder and sausage stuffer is a powerful 1 horsepower machine that grinds meat quickly and efficiently, processing up to 4 to 5 pounds per minute. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, this grinder makes preparing ground meats for burgers, sausages, and more a breeze. Its 2-speed settings allow for slow grinding when stuffing sausages and fast grinding for all types of meat. The reverse function helps prevent jams, ensuring smooth operation. The durable die-cast aluminum body, metal gears, and cam action headlock provide durability and make it easy to secure the grinding head. This versatile machine is perfect for grinding beef, turkey, venison, and more. Plus, with the included sausage stuffing accessories, you can create your favorite homemade sausages like bratwurst and kielbasa with ease. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a beginner, the Weston electric meat grinder and sausage stuffer is an essential tool for your kitchen. Number 5. Lem Products BigBite Stainless Steel. Ideal for regular use, electric meat grinder machine. The Lem Products BigBite Stainless Steel Electric Meat Grinder is the ideal tool for regular meat grinding tasks, offering rugged power and efficiency. Perfect for hunters or anyone processing small to medium batches of meat, this powerful grinder processes up to 7 pounds of meat per minute with its 0.5 hours power motor. It features a high-torque 110-volt permanently lubricated induction motor, ensuring long-lasting performance. The grinder comes equipped with 3 stainless steel plates, 4.5 m, 10 m, and a stuffing plate, a meat stomper, stainless steel knife, and 3 plastic stuffing tubes. Whether you're making burgers, sausages, or even pet food, the Lem grinder handles it all with ease. Built with durability and security in mind, it includes a built-in circuit breaker for added protection. Backed by a 5-year factory warranty and lifetime customer support, the Lem BigBite Meat Grinder is a must-have for those serious about home meat processing. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.